What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we want to learn how to correctly copy and paste footage in our timeline. It's really annoying when you want to copy and paste, let's say this clip, and for whatever reason, no matter what you do, it like pastes it on the timeline. So you have to like paste it down here and then drag it to where you want. Let's say you want it right here, or you want it like under this footage right here. You have to drag it. It won't properly do it, right? Really easy. Let's change a couple settings inside of Premiere Pro to make sure this works all the time. So let's go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts, and then type in Paste. Let's stretch this down a little bit so we can see. Let's go down. Let's do Paste to Target Tracked. This is going to be turned off. This is going to be, it's going to be currently for you that. Let's turn this off. If it's not, Paste to Target Track, Control V, and click OK. From here, if we copy footage, and let's do it again, I need to change the target track, which is this selection right here. Let's do V3, turn off V2, and then Control V. Pasted it there. Perfect. I want to put it on 6 and not 3. Right there. Perfect. And that is how you properly set up your changing your targets for pasting inside of Premiere Pro. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe for more content. Otherwise, scan that QR code on the screen. It helps me out a ton.